Ready to grow your Telegram bot's user base with a simple, effective referral system? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up a referral feature using smartbotland.com so your community can invite friends and expand naturally. By the end, you'll know not only how to generate your own referral link, but also how to make it easy for anyone to share and bring in new members. Let's jump right in. So I'm starting on smartbotland.com, which is a fantastic platform for building and managing Telegram bots, even if you don't have much coding experience. If you haven't made your own Telegram bot yet, don't worry. You can follow smartbotland's simple setup to create one from scratch. The process is pretty intuitive and they guide you every step of the way, so you'll have your bot up and running in no time. Once your bot is live and connected to smartbotland, head to the homepage. This is kind of your command center for tweaking and customizing your bot. Here, look for the row of buttons for your bot. It may feel a bit like sorting through dashboard controls, but don't let that overwhelm you. Take it one step at a time. You'll want to click on the bot that you want to add the referral system to. After that, look for the Edit button. This is your gateway to all sorts of configurations. Inside the Edit menu, you'll see several options, but for the referral system, we're focusing on other settings. This section is where smartbotland lets you fine-tune advanced features, and it's especially useful for adding user engagement tools like the referral system. Now you'll come across a menu labeled Default Submenus. Think of these as the shortcuts or mini features your users can easily access. Scroll through until you find Invite Friends. This submenu is dedicated to letting users spread the word about your bot, a key step if you want your project to really take off. Click Invite Friends, then hit Edit. This opens the detailed settings for customizing how referrals work. If you want, you can personalize messages or adjust the layout, ensuring it suits your community's vibe. Take a moment here to make it feel welcoming. Friendly invitations tend to work best. Once you've tailored those settings, it's time to see it in action. Open Telegram and find your bot. In the chat, type Start to initiate interaction with your bot. This is like knocking on the door and saying, "Hey, I'm ready." After that, type Invite Friends. You'll notice a blue text appears. That's right, it's your referral link. This link is unique and can be clicked or shared directly, guiding others straight to your bot. It's almost like handing someone a VIP pass to join your group. If you're thinking, can I put this link in other groups, channels, or even share with friends directly? Absolutely. Promoting this referral link wherever your target audience is active will help your bot's community grow quickly. People love getting personal invites, so make sure to explain the benefits of joining when you share the link. That's all it takes. Setting up a referral system really is straightforward once you know where to look. If any part feels confusing at first, take a breath and follow along step by step. It'll click soon enough. Remember, building a community takes time, but with a good referral system, you're laying a solid foundation for growth. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Got a question or want tips for customizing your bot even further? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and good luck expanding your bot's community with your new referral system.